Hello friends, this is fitness trainer Sudhakar Mane, welcoming you all to this episode of Fitness Size India. Improved fitness helps to reduce difficulties or limitations of functionality of the body, makes you young physically as well as mentally. It improves metabolism, it enhances appearance, strength and reduces risk of injuries or diseases. There are many more such benefits. In short, improved fitness definitely helps to enjoy life more. And this is applicable to all age groups. However, taking a fitness improvement activity seriously and on regular basis is more important for people nearing or around 50 years of age, because aging begins on reaching adulthood at around 32 years. But all body systems do not start aging together or simultaneously at this stage. There is no need to go into further details of aging at this stage. Let us be more practical. This way, it will be easy to understand. People around 50 years of age will agree that at this age or at this stage of life, they start feeling or experiencing the aging effect regarding stamina, strength, mobility, etc. However, may or may not get the hint of improper body composition. As no proper care of the body has been taken till now, there may be many more hidden developments in the body heading towards serious pathological issues and will only be noticed or felt sooner or later when crosses the limits. Friends, many of these cases at this age of around 50 years, though it is late, it is not too late to stabilize the decline curve and improve upon. Exercising regularly as per well-planned program, fully supported by correct nutrition, is the best way to achieve the goal of flattening the declining curve. However, to plan most suitable exercise schedule for an individual, fair knowledge of his present fitness status is essential. This is known as fitness assessment. There is a well-established assessment procedure covering all age groups. Qualified fitness trainers are trained to assess the fitness levels by carrying out simple practical tests and studying few lab tests. Such assessments gives the clear picture of the assessee and helps the trainer to plan the exercise program and diet plan, which, when seriously and sincerely followed, improves the fitness level at the earliest. And more importantly, please listen to me carefully. More importantly, it may also help the reversal of some of the pathologies already started in the body or growing in the body, like diabetes mellitus, blood pressure issues, hypertension or osteoporosis. Friends, exercise regularly on the basis of properly assessed fitness status. Adopt correct nutrition very strictly and enjoy this beautiful life fully, which will have one more added advantage of not depending on others for support and freedom from dependence on medicines. With this, ending the episode here. Next, I am coming up with episode on fitness assessment procedure. One more thing I would like to mention here. It's a general human tendency. Whenever body testing is advised, fear sets in. People try to avoid it. They feel something unpleasant will pop up, and they are not comfortable generally to know that. But it's not right, because correct picture of your body will lead to proper exercise schedule, which in turn will lead to fitness improvement, and most beneficial is a reversal of pathologies in the body. So friends, keep watching further episodes of Fitness Size India. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and if so, don't forget to like it. Feel free to comment as well. Goodbye. Have a good day.